All right, new battery. Let's roll. Round 3. Yep.
Drive it back in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
Like 20 more minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Go back into there. Camping.
Since I'm driving, I get to call it.
So this is the more easier way. The guy took the through the rocks there with a kid on his back. You're nuts. There's some rocks there for you, girl.
Mm-hmm.
A lot easier than going to those rocks. Split rock. So you can go that way if you want, on the way back through the rocks. Lots of rocks and snow. All right, let's rock and roll. And I can about imagine people getting hurt in this area, especially swimming, doing stupid stuff. In the summertime, this place is packed, especially when it's hot. It's higher elevations, they get snow, obviously. Have rocks on here.
Mm-hmm.
That guy's crazy. There's a big ass rock right over there. So you can go down to there, all right? Go ahead. Let me go. Go ahead. Let me go first. Oh. Oh yeah. What? Really?
Well, this part is. Pretty.
February 15th, man, 2024. And there's snow. He's throwing snowballs at me, you guys.
It wasn't very good snowball, no. It didn't stick together.
It was throwing like a girl, so can't really hurt.
Lucky to turn at the last second while it hit you in the face.
Uh-huh. Big ass rock. Yeah. So he was walking over here. And I can see people swimming down here. Because you can get on the other side and you can walk over there. But that's a big ass boulder. So it looks like a little shack up here, something up here. I think we're going the harder way than the easier way, but yeah, there's a cabin there for you. What the hell, huh? Could be a poor choice. Yep, it is.
Need a hand?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Oh, I got it. The help I need, the doctor's help. That's crazy. The doctor. How you doing, young man? It's too bad it's not nice to go swimming with your swimsuit today.
I know, right?
Here's my cabin, you guys. My cabin. Hell yeah. So it looks like wherever it came down here. Interesting to say the least. The humble abode. Humble abode in here. You're. They don't have a sign of what it is.
Let him get down, buddy.
Yeah, let the fool get down before he kills himself.
Ready to go up?
Look at that big guy. That tree. Look at that thing. My goodness. You kind of start to walk into here. You've got some dangerous areas I can hear. Ankle breaking areas. Rock slides. Kind of crazy, but I don't think I want to have your baby. I don't think people that on a wheelchair would be able to walk back into here. I don't think so. Yeah, I think it's the end of the road here for walking Rock Slide Park here. We'll head back. Let's head down into here real quick. If I get down there. And we'll end this thing. The 3 videos. What do you think, huh? So anyways. Oh. Hey, it's a little beach. You can kind of walk back into there, I think, farther. Back into there. So you can walk farther back, but it starts to get more and more treacherous, more rocks. If I was by myself, maybe I would, but she's driving back, so. Oh, there she is. All right, you guys. So, from Rock Slide Park, right by Sedona and Flagstaff. On a beautiful day, the 15th. Hope you enjoyed the 3 videos. So, well worth the $10 to get in. So, we're going to head back Tempe. Hope you enjoyed another adventure. See you later. Have a very good Valentine's Day.